Hello, my name is Bob Finn. My wife and I live in Riverside. Today I'm going to share our solar story with you. I had been thinking about solar for a while, but did not know much about it. We felt going solar would be appropriate to reduce our carbon footprint and do something to create a better environment for our kids and grandkids. One day I received an email from the Citizens Utility Board inviting me to attend a webinar called Solar Power Hour. I found this webinar very informative. Since we had a relatively new roof and southern roof exposure, it made sense to continue the process. After getting 3 vendor estimates, we signed a contract for installing 12 solar panels. Installation would follow a few months later. I think you can see some of our panels on our roof behind me. We had our panels installed in November 2019, so I'm still learning the ropes. The system includes a solar edge inverter. Our panels are installed on the roof with a southern exposure. Here are the rest of the solar panels plus the inverter. As you can see, our inverter is located outside. We have a solar edge inverter and we have an app that runs on our tablet. Right now, I am not able to access our Solar Edge app because it changes to the cellular network. We are waiting for a new cellular card to be installed in the Solar Edge inverter. Here is a close-up of our inverter and also our ComEd meter. As you can see, our solar system runs inside right into our circuit breakers. Our system cost approximately $12,000. We received around $4,000 in tax credits and in 2021 received just under $4,000 in state renewable energy credits. So our net system cost was close to $4,000. Our system produces about 85% of our electricity usage. We lose some production through the ComEd net metering zero out. I may change the zero out from October to April. Some people ask what the payback is, and I tell them probably in the 5 or 6 year range, but a short payback was not a major consideration in our decision. That wraps things up on my end. I hope I answered some of your questions. I am sure the Illinois Solar Education website can answer additional questions.